Arslan. Honey, where are you? Let's have a talk.
Okay.
What's wrong?
There's a guy I like, but he is poor.
What's his name?
Chubbs.
Chubbs. He is the richest man in the world. He invented the sunglasses.
What? I got to go, Mom.
But you didn't have dessert.
I've been crying for a while now.
Chubbs.
Floof.
Chubbs. I love you.
But you ran away.
But you're rich now. I love you.
Wait, you want to marry me just for my money?
No, ha ha ha.
Alright, I guess we can be together then. Oh, by the way, I am a prince too.
Yay.
I knew they would be together one day.